$800 every month. That's what the average American hands over for a car. But that's not the real number. The real number is $500,000 gone over your lifetime. Your car is the reason you're not rich. Let me prove it. Meet Mike, 30 years old, makes $60,000 a year, just bought a brand new $50,000 truck, 7-year loan, 6% interest. His monthly payment, $725. Mike thinks he got a great deal. Mike is wrong. Meet Sarah, same age, same salary. Sarah buys an $8,000 used Toyota, pays cash, no loan, no interest, no monthly payment, same job, same income. But Sarah just made a decision that will make her $500,000 richer than Mike. Year 1, Mike's brand new truck just lost 20% of its value. That $50,000 truck is now worth $40,000. He lost $10,000 in 12 months. He still owes $48,000 on the loan. He's underwater, but the payment isn't even the full cost. Mike's truck insurance, $300 a month. Gas for that V8, $250. Maintenance, $150. Mike's truck costs him $1,400 every single month. That's almost $17,000 a year. On a vehicle, that's losing value. Here's how dealerships trap you. They never say your car costs $50,000. They say it's only $725 a month. They stretch your loan to 7 years so the payment looks small. But a small payment over 7 years is a massive total cost. Here's the rule millionaires follow. The 24-10 rule. 20% down payment. 4-year loan maximum. Total car costs under 10% of your gross income. If you can't afford a car within these rules, you can't afford that car. Period. Here's what most people don't know. The average millionaire in America drives a Toyota, Honda, or Ford, not a BMW, not a Mercedes. They buy used. They buy reliable. They let everyone else waste money looking rich while they quietly become rich. 5 years later, Mike still has 2 years left on his loan. His truck is now worth $18,000. He still owes $15,000. Meanwhile, Sarah's $8,000 Toyota is still running, and her investment account, $58,000. Let that sink in. And that's only year 5. The real shock comes at year 10, year 20, and year 30. The gap between Mike and Sarah doesn't just grow, it explodes. Stay with me. The next number will change how you think about cars forever. Year 10. Mike's truck is gone. Traded it in for another loan. He's been paying $700 a month for 10 straight years. $87,000 spent on cars. Sarah, her Toyota still runs. Her investment account, $142,000. Year 20. Mike has now spent over $170,000 on cars. He has nothing to show for it. Sarah kept investing. Her account hit $418,000. She's almost a half millionaire from a car decision. One single decision. Year 30. The final number. Mike spent $260,000 on cars over his lifetime. Total value remaining? $0. Sarah invested that same money. Her account? $1,130,000. Read that again. $1.1 million from skipping a car payment. This isn't just Mike's problem. Americans owe $1.68 trillion in auto loans right now. 1 in 5 new car buyers pays over $1,000 a month. 31% of trade-ins are underwater. This is a national crisis hiding in every driveway. Fix number 1. Buy used. Pay cash. A 3 to 5-year-old Toyota or Honda costs half the price of new and has 80% of the life left. You skip the worst depreciation years. The car runs the same. Your wallet doesn't bleed. Fix 2. If you must finance, follow the 24-10 rule. 20% down, 4-year max loan, 10% of income for total car costs. Fix 3. Whatever you save, invest it. Automate $500 a month into an index fund. Let compound interest fight for you. Fix 4. The hardest one. Change your identity. Stop being the person who needs a nice car to feel successful. Start being the person who builds wealth quietly. The car you drive says nothing about your net worth. Your investment account does. But here's the twist. It's not too late for Mike. He sells the truck, buys a $10,000 used car, starts investing the difference today. Even starting at 35, he can still build over $600,000 by retirement. It's never too late. But here's the twist. It's not too late for Mike. He sells the truck, buys a $10,000 used car, starts investing the difference today. Even starting at 35, he can still build over $600,000 by retirement. It's never too late. Subscribe. Next week, 5 credit score secrets that banks use to control your financial future. Your credit score isn't what you think, and one mistake can cost you $100,000 in extra interest. Don't miss it.